Monchumulikire bona gukwanira ndonsi ya sobereta semarogoba ya bono chinga kichini ngokwaligania semesa ya mangana Amayia nyara gokomanya gati ere twabere to gokwaligania kurose mambia ya lengentambe weka chinse chigobono chebono umargoba likbaitoni go batare chinsem eliko ne kibona senchira yobo ikiranu nkonyara totoko gosansamuranira na gokomanya buna bere kago kolekana litukweligane lya Jumatatu sitarike 20 Eyemo omutinye oikomina limu mwaka bwechiri bubere na 20 na mange habereka okolekana ayibona kwaliganitwe manya senchira yobo ikiranu nyurabona olitoko bwatera nere gotera sumuno bwimanyiryo igakoro kwa Joshua Auta ritirane nchenkoro kwa Vincent Onyancha litanganike gimatero mangana yo senchira yoko ya chuta
ekaniseri atarete kwa ivolio mchango wabo kwa mwachukura nera chakere gotagora
ugache kanisa gotusaba chikura bono gwachakire gochitagora barandi kurwe county ya Kisii bamuchiri umugavana we county Simba Arati.
This court noted in the judgment that most probably even the count number 1, that is the rape, was committed, only the evidential threshold in a criminal matter was not met.
Umunyagetari yankondi mugo wairi mukumerwe gesiboke myaka 29 asechera
kwamba wakiona nyumba wameanza kulishuku kama vile hao wengine walishuku jana, wasingojea mpaka liporomoke.
Enyumba ya maronga 5 ende yagure meye county ya Kiambu abantu 12 bawutiria makweli maiga yuko nganya buboro morogoba. Monchumulikiri bono hayo hamo na yanda mange isaransoike nyare kogo sansamuranira igotogo chaka kurwase county ya Kisii kerokelia barandi ya kurwaso orogongo rwagusii aneme county ya Kisii baichanire nchire chiomba chigendere togotagurwa negatigati omuchiobo songo barandi ya bunigo baichanira no gotagurwa we chinyomba chiake bara chiekanisa asa no baburire mugavana we county ya Kisii Paul Simba Arati kone kibuna nkumukerege tambokero na gotenenia obotaguri chinyumba omulike itobene Brighton Makoli na roboti rwa senchira yobo ikirano
batu achali na pastor ba Gusii abutora ba pastor bangemono kwaramikera ege kale kanase omugito Gusii ngega bana twacholete omabyo tarachikoera ekaniseri atarete ko ivolio mchango wabo komwachukura nera chakere gotagora
ebyo nabyo birengereryo bya barandi abukurwase county ya Kisii asebono bamubolire mugavana we county ya Kisii Simba Baurarati kubwateri chiko anekero agutagura chinyomba se county ya Kisii
toko musabaiga your excellency governor ekanisa ro kugusabira ukoronge na ukorokera likwenda gukora taliero rasunyetaga na konyobo sokukera boda ete abashirika baito bagandi chichoche chiribagwakanira gusaba tumuke chichoche bagagira se kanisa
ntoigwe tibuya muna aba pastor ba Kisii county asenge nganeri nelingana lyokogechi mono nande lyokoreto bosoku naende bono ekorolekana nga barandi mba yasomo chobosongo egakone ke gosega koreke umugavana oito kero kende kiagara narawea egakoreke are ko muntu mutangani kugekana ekiagera agaige kanisa enu ache tagasaba chikura
tware gosaba nga mune kanisa ere ryogo esikwe ekiagera ekanise goseri buna bona iga batagurite kanise abantu jicho babwate sebagocha igo no kotebinga baka abantu basogoje kanisa basabe ekiagera bagocha endagera mbaliete ngai bakonye asenta to koteba nganya sae akonye serikali yetu
korengana na Bishop John Omangi kurwase kanisa ya Anglican Church of Kenya nigatebuna marago na majikons na bwatetiwe ekeri nyombe yare kwagachwa kolende otaguru kwaye nigokore no moichano.
The construction here, it went through all processes of approval, plan, through fiscal planning, through survey, through all integrity reports, and this building were approved. It defeats logic to find the same government which approved the buildings and it is coming all of a sudden and demolish the buildings.
Boigo bune kanisa nigo batebuna nigo babwate obwoba ngakibara chikogendera kokore mirimo ne serikali.
The county, our warriors are clergy, and that is our major concern, is that we are witnessing a scenario where the church is going to live in fear with the government of the day, which is very, very, very dangerous.
Asensemo yenjara no kuburwa kuborendia sense ya Kenya niga barandia bate bruna nigo bagendete kwene kibuna na barabongo sira balensemo yokorigi ndagira.
Yes, there is a serious insecurity situation in the country. There is famine, and the church is at the forefront in mobilizing relief in response to the famine situation. The church is equally concerned about insecurity. As we pray, we also want to see that our leaders are coming up with solutions, workable solutions.
Ase engana ya Eyemo,
We are not refusing GMO, but there must be controls. There must be scientific research over it so that we can know to inform our choices.
Nigobono babolirie serikali kurigereria chinjera chingao.
The church, maybe we are also going to instruct our science people, Department of Research and Science from the church, to advise us on the correct position on GMO.
Guribodire gataseni Candice TV kuruase obogatakati ebo mucho bosongo iridariane Brighton Makori.
Miyamuno muri kito Brighton Makori asorobotirwa sinchira yobo ikirano bono gotiganira Brighton Makori tomerano muri kito Josephat Amise oyogo tumanyibuna nigo serikali ya county ya Kisii boegenre tukubekemero bilio kone kibuna nkonyara bari gutanga nago keya omubaro bw'abantu bari bakombokire binyamureo aniga gochekero kiriye tariki ya mutinyogo chareri tukoria bene gochikoinyora bari nebinyinye biga binyamureo ribono rigo nyurwa Ensa ngimana nabo nigo batebire buna kolengana ne wizara nebegetemero biriya so gutanga ibinyinye byo binyamureo robotiro asinchira yobekirano.
Wizara yobochenu Amayia County ya Kisii niyo irire bitambukiro eliokoenekia buno kwambukirwa kwebinyinyi benyamureo nigo boiranire nse ayangolengana na Florence Ogaro oyole omoteneneri bwa department yeyo.
Ase county ya Kisii tumepiga hatua kubwa. Mtu banyetenga some years back HIV prevalence ya renge igoro se county ya renge 8.9%. 8.9 igual around 9 asabantu emia 9 of them were HIV positive, lakini one prevalence ya reduce paka wano tora te 4.6 around 5 people in 100 who are HIV positive. Na prevalence is higher in the females asabaswati.
Florence Boigo nigatebire department yae nenegetebu na abantu abange banyale ko bakorengwa na Boigo abaratokene binyinye byo nigo bachakire obobwenia ase obwango
pokazero on prevention osokotanga na sokotanga ntubate egenteke ni sokotanga ne upimo kumanya hali yo muntu ase tinya gitari chito chonsi abantu gupimu barororo umuntu manye status ye nyamoreo nekero umuntu amanyire status eto bwategende togotebanga test and treat tenga muna yarengeka ukare abosege chumagete yarenga na gupimu umuntu bana bamitinye bebe etatu umago chakibwa mario lakini mone tubate police togotanga test and treat.
Orengana na David Nyakambi nigatebire Boigo banyale ko bakwenana amaigerio anene guchia ase abamenyi be county ya Kisii na koenekia buna ababate ebinyinye byo tibaranyara ko bakonengetwa anene ase chinga kyabo na ase bagokora emeremo
twarura satambe emyaka yarure magega atwagaitire muna nabatebe ngo coordinate HIV at the community atwagaitire twanyora ebyombe by'abantu na women groups CBOs self help groups chonsipi na kitwaga kwanire karenga nonyo monte karairwe ndagera nesani nigo yagatugutiro rero nigo tokoragera amo
etariki Eyemo mutenyo gatano kabere nigo rirabe rituko rinene anene ase engima ase boigo ime county ya Kisii omosangerekano yoranyara koba gokorekana ase geti Kenya Nterago Stadium eyo ere ime nyari bari chache kuripoteri gataseni kia Ndizi TV kurwe county ya Kisii literane Josephat
Biamuno humulikito Josephat Amisi asoroboti rwa senchira yoboikirano bunachi county chinde county ya Nyamira nigo yerobereti boikirano asa matemo manale obosi amatemo a KCPE kolengana no mutenni bweji skuru chia banyana kurase county ya Nyamira Margaret Gesare nigatebire bunambale tayari asogo chigokolia matemo yu ane alia CBC na boni gabodi ya Bible ikone kibuna nkobatsira bara abana babo nakubwatsi umurubulyo CBC nonyoroka ne kubale maria Bible gatebire nale no kwege nabuna emirobeli emeyane chikobe kwa kone kyumurobeli yo CBC ngochole koba omugusugo kya sabo Bible muri kitokurase county ya Nyamira Jobuma Ange na roboti rwa senchira yobekirano
ekero etigarete amatuko amake gochia samatemu amanene ya kirasi sano na isato KCPE na ya CBC kepsea nigo aboroki abagendete korobe ya aborokiwa gokora amatemu ayo.
This time round ito chigokora gotemu wa class 6 gokorokwa Kenya Primary Schools kepsea so na Kenya Certificate of Primary Education amatemu abiri aho chikoenda moja kwa pamoja okukonde wa grade 6 no wa CBC
ntwabato gotarera esukuru ya Bisam Academy ase twabato kumirana na Margaret Gesare oyore omoteneneli bwe kisukuru cyabanyene ime county ya Nyamira oyuboigo oromo nyene bwe sukuru eyo elinde komanya enchira berobetie
na private schools cyabekira abana cyatayarishira abana buya sana na ende abana bono bali tayari kuchigokora ma assessment ya grade 6 KCPE umwako yega turakore biya sana
nate babuna baeteire amakongu asomoroberio OCBC korende asichinga kichiabono nigo baganyete okona chagwe serikali igoro yo moroberio yo
CBC no ya twara changamoto sinyinge mwisho wengo kora tura matemwa mweri wengo kora tura gotemwa gusa assessment ekoira abana bagende junior secondary and a task force on education ngunya gote niche totebinga ngaki abana bagabako bawuse ngaibako genda
omorokia omonene Peter Moruri natogia abaiboli asoko bwaterana nesukuru ejo elinde kokinia ekerengo gechisemi
monongo akambye mone sengencho ya abaiboli abo batoira abana nande bakuru efi barure feast wakorire gasingi abana ntayare bare
asate banigo aboroki aberure elinde gosomia abana na kone kyabuna baetire buya
amatemu aya abere ngangara bari bakorire gasirengiya abana ntayare bare twakorire revision kero muremo na bonto tukokora kipsea na KCPE na amatemu amatanga ntukokora se ruanchago oromo litukerimo bagocha kobamo na ntutu arabali mu bagocha kobalenda emeroberi yonsi ya koliru ya ikeranire igoge ntutu agosabankeringa moto sabere chikanisa ba pastors mole sabera abana ba Kenya bonsi mona ba Gusii na ntubisamu na torega mwegurekere myaka mbu yatogokora
rwase county ya Nyamira ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV Job Maangi
Biyamuno mulikito bene kurwase county ya Nyamira Job Maangi asoroboti rwa senchira yobo ikirano bono gotiganere Job Maangi kurwase county ya Nyamira wekaiga se county ya Kisii tomerano mulikito Frida Kerubo yogo tumanyugune kyombekele kyogo sangerelie bango KRA nigono kyaberege kurebiye wogo Chelsea University emeronge tato iga sense ya Kenya gati University chibono University ya Kisii ngati ye University ya bere chikonyore byewa kurwase kyombeko bwatikano bokorri bwabo no wakana kwebango gochiase ekyombe kyoroboti ru asenchira yobwikirano
Ekiombe kyogosangerelie bango kiare nigo kiarule ebiegwa gochia ase University emeronge tato ase obokoreri obyabo korwa ebango gati yabone University ya Kisii eyaegwa ekegwa na bigogokora omuyigali tukolia lero kolengana na baroboni go babeire bakorwa amaigeli gochia ase abanto kubwatekana no korwa kwebango
We have got to say that our students over the years have been, tax ambassadors in this region and the country at large. And because of that, His Excellency, the former President Uhuru Kenyatta, awarded our students or our tax society as the best in the country in terms of creating awareness among Kenyans on matters tax.
Gokwana nigo Professor Akama aerera emirobiri babiri bakobeka elyogosemia aborokiwa nabo igokobasira korwa obasemia elyokorwa ebango Emeye County ya Kisii, Nyamira nabo igo Homa Bay.
What these kids do is basically providing frontal services to Kenyans, starting with the staff in the university and also members of society in Kisii County, in Nyamira, in Homa Bay, and Migori, Siaya, Kakamega, all these western region. We must move away from the culture of avoidance in paying taxes.
Omateneneli bokorwa amaegelio akeare Jacinta Mulwa nigo aerera okolingolia asechinsemo ime ya Kenya asechi university kobwatikana no bokoleri bwabo asensemo yebango.
We have 30 tax societies in the various universities spread across the country. So we were looking for a center of excellence in each of our 7 regions. We had parameters that we are looking into, and the key one is the level of activity of this tax society. The university also had to be tax compliant, and also we looked at regional representation and how they are able to support us reach the unreached.
Omateneneli okeare Emeye County ya Kisii Robert Onyango nigo aerera ekirenga kiabo ase ogosemia ekegoliegeke igoro yokorwa ebango ase ali eira kobasira eliokweneki obokoleri obuya asa matukabosio.
I believe this occasion is very important, and more so for the young minds, because the main aim is to inculcate that tax culture in them as early as now, so that as they walk through their lives, they'll be able to assist the public, educate the public, and engage the public on matters tax this early. And that's why we chose Kisii University. They have a very vibrant tax club, and we've seen that they've also done some good job on that, and that we want to assist them, give them that backup to ensure that they do their job very well.
Frida Kerubo, Ndizi TV.
Na gotigana roboti rukuraso mulikito bene Frida Kerubo igotokomeno mulikito ivarinyo sero oyo gotumanyibuna abayibori nigo babori gwekane kibuna ngosira barumuro bilyo CBC korenga no muteneni bwe sukuru yo borosi atabaka academy aye manyakante buna moge oso manyakante buna mogendi tamaro nigabereka gote buna CBC nigibwata maya korende nigo yabiro mozigo ogochia sabo ibure ngana tebire bege kuligeligwa asoboime roboti ru asenchira yoboime.
Eskuru ne ya Tabaka Academy eyo gotoka Nyachenge bunge ya South Mogrango Emeye County ya Kisii asomo yegabo kobekero gutwa kwa boroki wa ba PP2 ochego so grade 1 obakogo koreka. Abayibori aborokiani go baikirana sobonge eryo koinekia omokya bwa bana babo. Omoteneneri omonene bwe skuru eyo mugendi tamaro nigaba kirambu ya bayibori na barimu asogo ikerana na monoko basegeta gosiro muroberio OCBC.
Ngwakira abayigori baito bonse kwa Tabaka Academy abarimu na abana asegase bakorire ngiya abayigori nonye CBC kekorekana ni bwatitibeta kinyinge asogwaka nebintu ebinge toko basaba kimoranche abana ebintu bakumanya nebya na nebinge
korengana no moroki omonene Madam Emanuela Urwenya abalimu nigo bawetera makongu au aneno gotaikerania kwa maganyo ya boroki wako rwasa bayibori
wate challenges mono kero abana bari PP2 konyora turenga abayibori abange mbari konyara goikirania ibintu bibagana eri ase skuru tonyora na mono muna chikalamu nabo mwana gotumeka ya maseri ituko igo nigo tugosaba abayibori baito banyari gotobwatisi bachigora aligera tunyari goikirania masomo ya igabo nae nabere bo igo na abayibori bande mbali batari gotaka barwera abana babo chibesa gocha ase skuru nae bona nigo toko babori entu na abalimu banyare gotokonya kero barure chibesa abana bamba kunyara ko baba goseri gochinka kera chingaki eywe gukora ebiro byabo byogosoma.
Abaibori nigo bagokera umuyogoyo asebatogie skuru ya Tabaka Academy na kuboria kubwatirana iri gusira abana konyora chisemi.
I can encourage parents out there to bring their children here because we are sure of the moral values that are inculcating in them. So it's a good institution, and the teachers themselves, they are teachers who have qualified from their institutions, various institutions, and they are registered from the Teacher Service Commission. Therefore, we are glad that we can compete with other schools, regardless of their cadre, but we will catch up with them as time goes by. Yeah. Well.
Tabaka Academy, mi personally naipenda sababu misingi ya hiyo shule ni mzuri, walimu ni wazuri, communication ya walimu na wazazi ni nzuri, they communicate wherever mtoto wako na shida na wako friendly. Nashukuru kwa msingi mzuri ambao wameweka kwa watoto wetu.
Eyemo bwaborokiwa uyogokera omuroberi oyo niga kambu ya Abaibori n'abarimu na goteba buna nigo besomirie nabo igo kumanya manke.
My name is Shali Harit. I'm in grade 4 in Tabaka Academy. I want to thank all parents for bringing their children in Tabaka Academy. And teachers, they have taught us many things, and we want to thank them for they have teachers well, and we have understand many things.
Tamaro nigakora asokoboria Abaibori wetoma aneno mwako gocha kwenekia bunanko barwera bare abana babe school fees asiboigo abakerambu yabali bonsi baikirana
tamwe gocha kwanzira 2023 fees na bera abete chanda mono okuba kitamu kiriko baisato kenyume yo mwako yugatwa bwate kitamu inye Abaibori asmu abeta tali Tabaka Academy yoka andoza asmu abeta Gusii chingongo chonsi pi paka Kenya ngima support ya bana baiga ekera balimu Abaibori n'abalimu ongera abakire binyanya saba sasa ni mwensi Abaibori graduates abalimu na kero monto otarera sherehe ya Tabaka Academy graduation 2022 kwa Tabaka Main na Tabaka Aya Nyachenge. Asante sana.
Goripotre Seni Ndizi TV eriatariane Evelyn Osero.
Biamono omuri keitobene Evelyn Osero soroboti rwa senchira yobo ikirano munchu muri kirebono gotigara na yibonto muri kariya ndeto kolekana chinsemo ao nigobono okuna cha kwa bete ko ikerwa nabo igo kurwa sensemeria yekegambero anaso kondra kunengi wa kwaba waziri babo tambe abona barabaliki babo tambe gose permanent secretaries wari GPS nigobono omuyogo yuragendre gotenena go ikastari kemeronge na kyanda abo asebono libagabenra chikurwewa asokonyara tegererwa gwekinekyo kolengana nensemeli yelichiko oselo sort of Kenya iko bayigete bosubeke gambero kwa merelie nchera baliki babo tambe gose permanent secretaries babete bagochoro numure bwenso muske William Samoei Ruto insomo no chobina nduma nderi ni gate birabuna kinekyo boni ke chiko tegero stali kemeronge bire na kyanda omutenye go ikominomo elikonyara koruko na chakwabo igoro yoko gendererwa ko unengo kwa baliki babo tambe osaba PS oseigo bagochia kugania maleta maya ayubona barachi koboria omurai bwenso William Ruto kobwatoka gochia se kamati ya bunge na ende bachake kunengigwa boya na omonyagitari enkondi mugo weirimu ni gobono aberega gukumirwe gisibo kya myaka 25 nomo aniga gocha maiga yoko toka na mamocho gati yabo ni gale kubatumia basubati ya sobonchani asenyagitari ya yatebete bona ni gale kuru obobwenia na mugo weirimu ni ga airogete no munyagitari ya sekonde maiga yobo tukikamanyekana bunere talenge munyagitari asale gutumia nyombe yo asokonyara kubatumia basubati anana sense muyobo nchani egento kere komikere tambo kere tinde kolengano munachi ebinani go atebirabuna mugobono ni gago chiko bera sege subasega ke miaka 29 nemetenyi 5 nomo
to endanger helpless victims, most of them women, by purporting to be a gynecologist and many other traits, and would administer the drugs to them, and have sexual acts with them. As this court noted in the judgment, that most probably even the count number 1, that is the rape, was committed, only the evidential threshold in a criminal matter was not.
Na enyombende ya maronga 5 asensemeri ya Ruirwe gutoka se county ya Kiambu niko bono yabirege kugwali tukoria lero niga gocha motoka makema ga enyombende kugwa sensemeyo ya Kiambu eyerete goita abantu babere au barengo mungina amo nomugakoye au babete bagukwa na gusiria oguma bwabo no nabo monyene nyombeyo nigo chinga kiechiri tukoria lero aikeru na kobe kubiara ekerarenga segetikerigie chindege gya JKIA ekere gotebekana buna nigarenge gotamasa bagakunarigwa na koiranigwa oika sensemeria ya Kiambu asatangirira abanyanyimbo maiga yenyumba ya gulitukuria lero kugwa ni gotebekana buna litukurigora abantu goitani chimibere nigo banganyito kurwa senyombeyo maiga yo korokereria ebyorokerere bune nyombe inabo yakagire guchikogwa aso gwatekasinya sichiabo maiga yo kunganya litukuria rabono nige nyombeyo yaberege kugwano nabo enibo konyara yatigaira senyombeyo maiga yabantu chimibere kunganya kurwa segorobe yo bwatamaronga 5 igegendrete kurusigwa asenyombeyo yaba gekogwa lituko dialero.
We want to make this appeal to the people of this county. Ya kwamba wakiona nyumba wameanza kulishuku kama vile hao wengine walishuku jana, wasingoje mpaka liporomoke, wacha waitane. Tunashukuru kama hii kwa sababu maafisa wa usalama walikuwa karibu, wengine walikuwa naishi hapo, so tulijua mapema na tukatoa watu mapema, so finally hatuko na maafa. Lakini watu wakiona kuna jambo baya linaendelea kwa lile jengo wanaishi na wanyamaze, sasa tunakuja kuwa na maangamizi na watu kukufa.
Onyere buna na motokanuka aberega kubutoka maiga yenyombende kugwa sensemeyo ibona chekote buna omanyene nyombeyo bono igaba ka kubwato karase getikeriye chindege roboti urunto kumanyekero chirara gechinse isato chiabo tukogo tigana nayo ekyombe kyabari mugiya kupet bono nigo kyagosereria serikali na gotebuna igoke gochikorusia bari mu babo kura chinse mochiria chitabwa tibolende ana soko boero bugima bwa bari mu abo barikire ase kyombe keriye gya kupet nigo batebire buna samatuka mange abali baroka negotiwa maiga asebono batebire buna baganiti abali mu abo commentwa omusaro bogosengeri yabona bokonyora marupurupu elikonyara kwerenrekero baras chinsemecho konga kyombe kino gyatebire buna abali mu abanga bara chinsemo aho bakupet niko batigire bachandekete asebono bagani serikali kumukige tambukiro na komenda chibesonya talibo bagoserere gochikurusia abali mu babo kura chinsemo chiria chitabwa tibolendi boisaine.
The national office and the cooperative.
The most important thing we discuss here is that we discuss issues teachers, what teachers go through. We interact with them, listen to them what they say about the union and their work. And it's important that we have our national officials who will take over and take it over and discuss it at the national level.
Tunasema ya kwamba walimu ambao wanafunza sehemu ambayo iko na insecurity, tumesema ya kwamba kama serikali haiwezi kuwapatia usalama wa kutosha, hatutakubali walimu hao wafunze pale. Tunataka waondolewe ili wasikufe.
CPC must be domiciled in secondary schools. All that's required is more capitation to the schools so that parents do not incur the cost of running the CPC. All that's required is employment of more teachers and all will run smoothly.
Na Bishop Manyakantabuna Anthony Mueria ni garokane komocha enkwana ya Eyemo Kuria anene asogo kwa na mangana rengete embusoro ya kerero ze GMO konengana Moses Kuria ni gabaka gote abuna embusoro ya GMO tere yoka erase goita aba Kenya sekonda tebire buna ebintu nebinge birarokane goita aba Kenya nabo igota bwa tumuchando ndo bwense gocha saba Kenya konengana mu Bishop oyu Manyakantabuna Anthony Mueria ni gabori Moses Kuria osaba mabera gocha se aba Kenya.
Trivialize death, trivialize suffering, trivialize insecurity. For this reason, we feel, irrespective of the matter in case, in consideration, would request, honestly, that the Kenyans deserve respect and not spite, and in this matter they do deserve an apology. It is not good to joke with death, or to gamble with the life of Kenyans as if it was Russian roulette. For this reason, we feel this matter is more than just a joke when we speak about GMOs. It's a serious matter that deserves discussion, deep, sober engagement. It's not on one hand a decision for us to, on one hand, just embrace them wholeheartedly, completely, without any reservation, nor a situation where we want to reject the use or even to address the need that could be for a specific time. It's a matter of discussion.
Munchumulikire muno inyora nigo gendete gotengera Ndizi TV ubwansu bumugusina bokwandira gotobwati ago itirensemelie mtandao ensemo ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital na bwegensemelia YouTube na watu nabuna Ndizi TV News ya singi nchibiro igontagete kwa ndo mutumo komo kenyora machi ginkwira na sentunde ya kabiri ningendera gukumanyali agende tokolekana kurwa chinkongo chonse litukunele Jumatatu buna botambe mesa ya mangane ichigosoli ni gobe yaligani kurwa sensemende ye studio gwantoka ndo mutumo komo ke eliongotige na Victor Sultano mwana no yobubange tumanyamange ane kura sensemelie chikosorebe gato mane kwandika pwegendrete onyerubu nali tukuligoro nali yachagetebe na yuna sensemo ye chikosor Victor mwana no yobubange nsemende twa kwalgani tumanyanga mangigoro ye chigosoli nkoira nande
nomanyete eke wekia ora omwanogo noko mwachisemi chikerero bono Skyline Friends School nero lichibuliao Eyemo iboli ne skuru ebwata borokia babwatu bumanyi bwigoro asogokonya aborokiwa nigo babwate preschool yuere a playgroup goika pre-primary 2 lower classes cha grade 1 goike grade kia gatano na kemo ne klasi kia gatano na kabere nigo babwate amachama yayo gotumeka abakori emeremo baisaine chigali chobosombi egetie kia kyo kogosorelia CCTV kira ekirasi lyokobeka obolendi abalimu baisaine nabo